Okay, in this exercise we are going to use copy data pipeline. So we're going to create a pipeline and use copy data activity in it. Okay, let's go and create a pipeline first. Okay, I have created new workspace and new Lakehouse, and now I'm going to create new pipeline. Okay, and the pipeline name is going to be ingest sales data. This is the pipeline basics setup. Now we are going to fill it. Okay, this is called copy data wizard, and I need HTTP source. And when I click HTTP source, it gives configuration options. Okay, this is my URL. This is create new connection. Okay, connection name sales CSV, data gateway none, authentication kind anonymous, what else, basic, and so on. Privacy level none. Okay, let's click next. Okay, here we need to make sure that the method is get and leave everything else as is. Okay, delimited text, comma, line delimiter /n, first row is header, compression, none. Preview data, this is some sales data. We have seen it on a previous exercise. Okay, and now we click next, and we starting to configure destination. So we are connecting to exercise for Lakehouse. We need to go to folder path name will be called new data. File name will be called sales CSV. Copy behavior should be left as none. Next. Okay, delimited text, comma, and line fit separator. Compression none. Replace next. So here is the copy summary. We are copying from this connection name to this connection name, this file name under this path. Okay, let's click save and run. Okay, it has notified success. Let's go. No. Let's go here. Files. Refresh. We need X4. Okay, under X4 Lakehouse, look into files. We need to press refresh. Nothing yet here. Okay, this is the new data folder, and this is sales in this new data folder. We can even look at it. So we can click files, new data, sales. This is our copy data pipeline. Okay, here with the save we can save it. Okay, and here is this run, we can run it. run opens output, and we can see how it proceeds. Its duration 3 seconds, 5 seconds. It auto refreshes itself. Oh, it's not too fast, not sure why. In progress. In progress. Succeeded. Okay, let's go to the home page of our Lakehouse and click Open Notebook. Ask New Notebook. Okay, in a notebook, let's create table name called Sales. Okay, we go here and we click Toggle Parameter Cell. So this cell is now contains parameters. Then we should add a new code cell, and there is a code for this cell. Import Spark SQL functions. It reads all CSV files from a new data folder with headers and CSV format. It adds year column, which we did in the previous exercise. It splits first and last name. Adds two columns, first name, last name. And it collects all these fields. So it discards some original fields and creates new one, and it writes it as delta table in a mod append, save as table name. Table name is this table name cells. Okay, now let's start the notebook. Since it's a first start, Spark session should initiate itself. That it takes some time. Okay, as a result of this notebook, we got this cells table. It's columns and refresh. Okay, this is this table with calculated fields and all these column types. And we can go to the settings and give a name to the notebook. Load cells. Now we go to activities tab. Okay, this is called all activities tab, and here we find delete data. This is previous activity to the copy data. And we should take on completion and connect to copy data. We should not take success because success is not guaranteed. It might be success or error, and completion is always completion. This is on skip. The block is skipped. These three existed in integration services, but this didn't. Okay, now we click to delete data, call it delete old files. Okay, we need to specify connection. This is our Lakehouse. Okay, Lakehouse. A wildcard path file. This should be files new data. We can actually browse it. This is new data. Okay. And wildcard file name is asterisk.csv. CSV files. Okay, and in the login section, enable login is unselected. Okay, next thing. Here we should select notebook. And we should put notebook here. Okay, let's connect on completion to notebook. We call it load sales notebook. And if you go to settings, it has workspace, and this is our load sales notebook which we have created already. Okay, so we have got a pipeline of 3 activities. You can go to home and press save. And as soon as save is completed, we can press run. Now we can watch our output. Okay, first step delete succeeded. Copy in progress. Okay, copy completed. Notebook in progress. Notebook failed. So what do we have? Okay, notebook failed because of a user configuration issue. I have probably forgot some. Okay, I forgot to add parameter to the notebook. So I should click notebook, base parameters, new. Table name, type, string, value, sales. Let's save and run again. Now I will pause the run. Okay, after I have configured parameter to the notebook, the pipeline has successfully completed. Congratulations. So now we go into Lakehouse. Refresh. And we have this data. Now let's do experiment. Let's remove everything. Sales, CSV. Okay, I have deleted sales CSV file and folder as well, and I have deleted the table. Let's see what's going to happen now. Let's start pipeline anew. Okay, it has failed on step delete old files, but since it is on completion, it went to the next step and created these files. So if we run it again, it should be successful on all steps. Okay, on the next run all the steps have succeeded. I still want to do experiment. I want to delete only CSV file. Will delete be successful or still failed? Okay, identified a way to delete files, so I cloned the operation. Delete data, delete old files, copy one. Let's see what's going to happen now. It still has new data CSV file. Okay, let's run it with the 4 steps. Okay, the 4th step pipeline has worked successfully, but it has deleted existing file, created it, processed on the notebook and deleted again. The question is, what is going to happen now when then CSV file no longer exists after the last step? Let's run it. Okay, the pipeline has succeeded on all 4 steps again. It deletes files by mask. As the error which was caused in the previous try was caused by the fact that they have deleted folder. Now when the folder exists and no files in the folder, it still succeeds, because it simply finds all the files by mask and delete it, whether they exist or not. Okay, let's run it one more time and complete video on this. Okay, the final test run has completed, so I will finish video at this point.